Hey.
So I got you a little something for Father's Day.
I'm excited. And I can open it?
You can open it.
Okay. That's terrible. It is a big thing with my name on it. That's cool. What's inside? Bum, bum, bum. Made from bamboo, it looks like. Nice. Oh, dang. I'm gonna fork me some meat. I love it. Thank you. This is actually really, really cool looking.
I know. It is from Groovy Guy Gifts.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Oh, yeah. That's actually substantial. It's not like flimsy feeling when you squeeze, you know? I like it.
Yep. I'm glad you like it. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you very much. When I first opened this, the first thing I saw was the engraving, and I was like, wow, that's a really nice case. What is this? So when I opened it and saw these utensils inside, and I was like, oh, cool, barbecue utensils. But when I picked it up and I squeezed it, I felt how thick and heavy the metal was. And if you've ever barbecued, you'd be wary of flimsy tongs. You'll drop your brisket. These guys, not gonna drop it. High quality, nice handles. I like it. Perfect Father's Day gift.